this year. All I need is love and family, even when things don't go your way. You should ask for this Christmas is somewhere you can be yourself. What else can you do? All I want for Christmas is you. And love one another when trouble's gone too far. All the presents you need, give it to those who don't have lots. All you need is a little hug, maybe even so much love. What more can I do? All I want for Christmas is you. And all I want for Christmas is you. And I don't know what you need, but you need someone love, someone to carry on with you. All I want for Christmas is you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's music video song thing. Yeah, so much love for the holidays. I'll see you guys later. Bye.